Hello amazing people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're stopping by my channel, welcome to the family. Hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out. In this particular video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily make a 4x4 lace closure using the in-between and diagonal pattern of ventilation. I'm going to show you guys everything from A to Z, how I did everything. Alright, without skipping any parts. So to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you are here to subscribe to my channel, please consider doing that. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you get notified. So this is the lace that we'll be making use of. I have to secure that on my mannequin head. It's actually a 4x4 lace closure. So the extra you saw me, the place I drew is not part of the 4x4. I just left the extra for sewing, okay? So it's not part of the 4x4. Alright, so what I did next is to, first of all, I have to mark out my center part. It's 4x4 closure, so just mark out 2 inches from the center. That will serve as your center pattern, okay? Then the next thing, I have to measure 1 inch from the start point because I'm actually going to use a different pattern for this first inch that I marked. Okay, so you have our center pattern, then we have our first 1 inch. Then the next thing I did now is to go ahead and cut out little amount of hair from the bundle. After cutting that, I have to comb it. This particular hair is very short, okay, but you can still vent a short hair if you follow what I will show you guys in this particular video. So this is how I fold it. I fold it in such a way that one is longer than one. Remember, the hair is short, so you have to try as much as possible to get at least a longer closure. So I started with the line on our center pattern, okay? I skip a line, I vent a line, I skip a line, I vent a line. So we're going to make use of the in-between line pattern for this first inch, okay? The first 1 inch I mark, I'm going to use the in-between line pattern. So I simply vent on a line, I skip a line, I vent on a line, I skip a line. Then coming again now, this time around, I'm going to skip on the lines I ventilated and then vent on the ones I left. I don't know if you guys understand. This is just the in-between lines pattern. If you don't understand, please check my channel, watch the video on how 2 ways you can do in-between lines. Okay, this is one of them. So I'm simply venting in between the lines, okay? So if you watch closely, you see that the hairs are falling in between each other, and I'm picking 2 to 3 strands of hair. Alright, so I'm venting in between the lines I skipped. Then coming again, this time around, I'm going to skip the ones I ventilated and vent on the ones I left, which will now match on the first lines I ventilated earlier. Okay, so this is just what I'll continue doing till I'm done with the first inch that we marked. Okay. So this is it when I'm done with that. I mean the first inch now. So if you look at it, you see that the hairs are in between each other, and the hair is very full because I skipped just a hole without skipping any line. So coming again now, when we are done with the first inch, okay, from here now I will go diagonally, okay. I'll be skipping a line. Then while for the holes I won't skip any hole, sorry. I'm not skipping any hole, I will only be skipping a line. I hope you guys understand what I did. When I'm done using the in-between line for the first 1 inch that I marked, okay, then I have to now go diagonally. Instead of following the vertical line, I'll be following the diagonal line. I'll continue like this till I get to my center pattern. Alright, the place we mark for our center pattern. So I'll be skipping just a line. Then for the holes, I won't skip any hole. So if you know you have found any value from this video and you know you are not yet a subscriber to this channel, what are you actually waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Okay, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you don't miss out. If I have any question, let me know in the comment section. So guys, I'll continue like this till I get to my center part. Now I'll show you guys how you can vent the center part. Remember, we are skipping no hole here. We are only skipping a line. Okay, then for the first inch that we did, we skipped just a hole for the lines. We do not skip any line. Okay, so when I get to my center part, okay, the place I marked, I have to vent on that particular line, but just once. I'm not going to pass that particular line, just once. Then when I'm done, I have to vent all the holes on that particular line. What it means is that the hole on the lines we skipped, I'm still going to vent them. So the holes on the lines we skipped, I'll vent them too. Alright, you will see that the holes on the line are center parts that I'm going to vent them, but just once. Okay, do not pass the center, the marked line. Just vent it once and then vent all the holes, including the lines you skipped. So guys, it's important you don't skip any part of this video so that you'll be able to see exactly what I did from A to Z. Okay, I try as much as possible to make my tutorials very detailed, that anyone, whether you're a beginner as a ventilator or you are just starting, anyone can easily follow my videos and achieve the best results. So I urge you guys to continue watching this video without skipping any part to the end. So now when I'm done with that set, I have to now come again and start another set. Simply venting on a line, skip a line without venting any hole. Okay, remember where we started using the diagonal pattern. This is actually the diagonal pattern of ventilation. Then when we now get to the front side, I'll still show you guys what to do, so you don't need to skip this video. Just watch till the end so that you don't miss any important parts. So if you know you have found any value from this video and you are yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Okay, if you are confused at any point, you found anything confusing, let me know in the comment section. And please share this video, help me and share my video, comment. Thank you guys, I really appreciate all you guys are doing. So guys, for the front side now, I'm going to use the in-between line pattern for this front side now. So I'll start with the vertical line on our center pattern. I skip a line, I vent on the next one, I skip a line, I vent on the next one. Okay, so I'll continue skipping a line, venting on the next one, skip the next one, vent on the next one till I get to the end of it. Okay, then when I'm done, I have to now vent in between the lines. Okay, so instead of venting on the one I left, on the ones I ventilated earlier, I'll vent on the ones I left, skipping just a hole. Yeah, I'll do this like 4 times, then I'll complete the remaining space using the diagonal pattern. So guys, this is it when I'm done with the 4th row now. If you see how natural it is, how natural I'm looking it is. Okay, so I'll just have to complete the remaining space now with the diagonal pattern. And when I'm done, I'll move over to the right side. So no difference, I just have to start with a diagonal line. Sorry, I skip a line, I'll vent on the next one, I skip a line, I vent on the next one, skipping no hole. Okay, so for the center pattern now, you know we vented on the line we marked. So for this right side now, I'm going to vent on the line after the center pattern. Okay, just once. And remember to vent all the holes, which means the lines you skip, you're still going to vent on the holes. So this is one way you can create your center pattern. Okay, so guys, if you know you found any value from this video, or you found any value from this video, and you're yet to like this video, you're yet to comment, you're yet to subscribe, please do so. Help me and share my videos. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so guys, let me use this opportunity to tell you guys that I have a training coming up soon, air ventilation training coming up soon, online training. Okay, I do both physical and online, but for people who are far from me, I do online training for them. So I'll have a training coming up soon. If you're interested in that particular training, let me know in the comment section. Alright, please, it's not a free training. It's not a free training, it's paid though. It's paid training, but it's very, very affordable. So when I'm done with this, I just have to complete the front, still using the in-between. Like the same thing I did by the other side, I will repeat it. And this is it when I am done with the whole stuff. Just look at this, guys. Is it not looking beautiful? and so natural. Even though the hair is very short, but I managed to give it the magic, and this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, for always coming back to watch my videos. I hope my videos help you guys to achieve your goals, to become a pro in hair ventilation. If you're interested in the training coming up, don't forget to let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next upload. I love you. Please don't forget to subscribe or like, comment, share.